Good evening, everyone. This is just a video on if you're wanting to get into this industry, my thoughts on it. When I got into this line of work, I bought a track loader. Some people call it skid steer. It's a track loader. It's a Bobcat T650. I got this when I was contemplating which one, excavator or this one. This served me well. I had a 4-in-1 bucket, also with the grapple. You have seen my videos, or you may not have seen it, but I have a video on my grapple, a CID grapple, what I use it for. First two things I started with, and they served me well: land clearing, grading, backfilling, even tree removal. So it did really, really well. I bought this machine on the recommendation of my Bobcat sales rep at Johnson County Bobcat, North Carolina. I did want a 590 at first. I told him what I wanted to do: logging, land clearing, etc. He said you need a 650. He was right. This was exactly what I needed. If you talk to a Bobcat dealer, if they are a salesperson that has been in the industry for a while, go ahead and probably trust what they tell you when it comes to equipment, when you explain what you want to do with it. It's been a great machine. It's a 2016 model. I bought it with 697 hours, I think. I am at 2,400 hours. It's been a great machine. Gone through tracks, gone through sprockets, and maintenance. Very happy with it. Then I bought this E42 excavator. I was looking at the E50. I thought maybe it's too big. For me, this was the right size. Bought this. Came with a 24 and a 12-inch bucket. Here's a 24, here's a 12-inch. I got that on recommendation of a friend. At that time, I did not plan on doing that much excavating. I was doing land clearing, doing demo, but now I'm doing a lot more excavating. So I bought the 36-inch bucket. It's great for hogging, getting dirt out of the way, and I even grade with it. Then I ended up getting a 48-inch grading bucket. It's a Bobcat. These are all Bobcat buckets. I have friends with different machines. I've seen them with a lot of hours. In my opinion, Bobcat's the way to go. I will stick with Bobcat for these mini excavators. 12-inch is great for demo. I've done some recent videos on demo. It being smaller, it gets more pounds per square inch. I'm able to do a little more fine demo, especially when pulling out concrete, able to get between cracks. A previous video, you see how I use my blade to pick up concrete, and I use this to get it out of the way and pull it out. The 24 is the one I started with, like I said, with the 12-inch. It's been great for smaller projects. It's able to get dirt out where I need it. It is something that I'm glad I have. Now I have a 36. I've been doing grease pits. I've been doing more excavating. I'm able to grade with this. I have been doing some grading for pool installs. Over here, there's a lot of customers that have above ground pools. So I go out there, I go ahead and laser it out, and I go ahead and grade it out to where they want it. Over here with above ground pools, I grade it out and then install sand. We do another fine grade and they put it on top. It's been working really well. And then I ended up recently with this 48-inch bucket. I got this from Bobcat of Wilson in North Carolina. I mentioned before, Dan, he's the manager there. He is great to work with. This bucket was part of his old inventory under the old prices. Bobcat buckets have gone up considerably in price, but he went ahead and gave me the price that this was bought for. It's about a 30% savings. So if you're in the Wilson area, even if you're within an hour, 2 hours, go talk to Dan at Bobcat of Wilson County. I used that in a previous video, doing some small grading. Was able to pick material with it. I was very surprised on how a smooth edge makes a big difference. than using a bucket with teeth. The demo bucket, the 12-inch, what I call a demo bucket, I think it's a must-have if you have an excavator. I do install drainage systems, whether it's corrugated, 4-inch corrugated or 4-inch PVC, like Gate City Foundations uses. I give my clients, customers an option of what they want to use. Even though a lot of these systems require 6 or 12 or 6 or 9-inch excavation, I use this 12-inch and I just backfill. Have an excavator, easy to backfill, it's not a problem. That has been great. I did a video on replacing teeth. The teeth that I like to use are Bobcat teeth. There's also off-brand teeth. I've used both. Then I went ahead and put them both together, like on this 4-in-1 bucket in the past. And in my opinion, the Bobcat teeth hold up a lot better than off-brand teeth. So if I can, I will always use Bobcat teeth. I think it's a better product, better material, and it's only maybe a little bit more in price, if not they're the same price. Again, starting out, I start with a track loader, but in my opinion, you can do everything with an excavator that you can with a track loader. The track loader can be faster on some things, but the excavator is, I think, let's call it a full spectrum piece of equipment. Other things I want for this excavator is going to be an auger. I have not come across a job where I need an auger. What I do is get attachments as I need them, something that can pay for itself and make me more money. That is, in my opinion, the name of the game when you buy equipment is to make more money, to go ahead and support your livelihood so you can provide for you and your loved ones. Please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. New videos come out, comment. I will respond to you. Might not be immediately, but I will respond to you. Thank you for watching.